Alright, what is up YouTube? Today we are going over the DIY Type R / red interior carpet that I did on my Acura RSX Type S. Let's get straight into it. Okay, let's open the door of this beautiful car. And look at this. Look at this. I'm telling you, the velvet, dog. The velvet. Don't mind the hole, because we're gonna put a mat over it. It's a project, okay? And then look at that. Oh, no holes over there. Type shit. Oh God. Okay, hold on. Let's go. Let's walk around. Get a better view. Ain't too much sun on this side, but it still look good. Oh my God, look at that. The blood red interior. That's hard. Now how I did this? Dang, I forgot the actual spray at the house. I was like, yo, I'm gonna record this video for them today. I'm gonna bring the spray and everything. Okay, it's called Duplicolor Vinyl and Fabric Spray. Okay, fabric spray. Okay, and then what I did was I bought a dark tan interior carpet from eBay for about $79, $80 plus tax, so it came out to like $120 because all the shipping and stuff like that. Next thing I did though was get a pressure washer the heck out of it, and then that didn't do enough, so then I got a carpet cleaner. Got the carpet cleaner and then cleaned the heck out of that. Yeah, so that's what I did, and then I took 4 cans of it, went to the back of my house, oversprayed on my door a little bit, sprayed again, oversprayed on my other door a little bit, and then I kept going, and I finally got the mat all the way red. I have clips of this that I will put in the video. But yes, this is a totally viable option. I gotta keep walking away. I gotta walk back into the sun because it's hard to see me when I'm not. It's a totally viable option. Anytime I press against it or I've driven in it, no red has come off. I can show you guys real quick, because I know that's one of the main things for a lot of people. It's like they're like, hey, this looks cool, but like I don't want it putting red everywhere. So like, that's my hand.
Oh my God! Wow!
A little red because, you know, sweat and stuff like that, and like just having blood in my hand, that probably helps. So yeah, it's a totally viable option, and I think it does like wonders for your interior. I know the exterior of the car is still pretty cooked. You guys like my trunk gap right here? Yeah, my fitment is insane. But yeah, guys, it's a totally viable option. It took me less than $100. Well, besides getting the mat, well, the actual interior, it took me less than $100. But I will say this can be done on black interior if you have enough willpower, enough spray, and a lot of time on your hands. Because I will say it's gonna take you a lot longer to dye or spray over the black interior and get it to sink as deep or be as vibrant, because you're gonna have to use a lot of coats. Because first it's gonna have to get all over that black coat, and then you got to spray on top of the red, and then once you get there, it'll become a lot easier, but you have to get all that initial black out of the way. Similar to like how you would regularly dye any other color, you just got to get that top layer of what the other color was out of the way, and then you can keep going. I really like this mod. This is not to be like, oh, I have a Type R, or my car's a Type R now, because I have that. You know, I might steal the red Type R door panels too. Just kind of like how they look. Kill me. But nah, this is not nothing me like trying to make my car Type R or anything like that, even though I have a Type R wing. Dang, I'm really jacking the whole Type R style. Dang. I want to change it to a Mugen style wing anyway, so it doesn't matter. But yes, I really do love this mod. I think it makes the car look 25 times better, adds personality to the car. It just makes the car look vibrant and nice when you get in the car. It's a project car. I want it to look good, you know? It doesn't have to look good. It can just be fast. But like, I want it to look good. And well, oh my gosh, can I speak? When I get people in my car, I want to be like, damn, this is nice. Like how did you do this? Is this OEM or did you make this? I want to be like, yo, I made that for the car. It's perfect. It's sick. You know, it's another personality. I want to say thank you guys to all the support on the first video. I know something had like 300 views. But the comments, dog, everybody's like, yo, this is a great project car. Good luck with yourself, like that. I really appreciate that, dog, because like, this is something I take pride in and passion in. So it's like, when I see other people like, damn, like, that's a good investment, or you having fun with it and just going over there and congratulating me, I really appreciate that, dog. But yeah, if you're thinking about doing this and you want to either do the Type R red, the blue, whatever color you want to do, I think Duplicate has it. You're just gonna have to find the fabric spray to go with it, and you'll be fine. So go ahead, get out there, keep building your builds, guys. I know mine is trash. I have a front bumper, and I have a hood that needs to go on. I need hood pins. I need a new T-bracket, this whole thing. I need a new one of those so then I can put the hood and everything on, because I'm going to do hood pins. I'm going to wait on putting my bumper on because I might get new brackets, but these really just need to be clipped in so then they can actually hold my bumper, because they're supposed to hang like right about here, and every time I put my bumper on they just sag. So I got to get the hardware to go in here, because I don't know how this happened, but they lost the hardware to it. And I think it's the same thing on this side too. So that's fun. And then I need new headlights because these are zip tied. And so are these, because I guess these brackets on these headlights break a lot. And that's cool. And that really helps out with my fitment. So yeah, literally I'm going to do that. I'm going to paint this valve cover. Sorry, I'm over here moving all over the place. Paint the valve cover. Paint this valve cover. Well, this valve cover. Wow, that's amazing. I'm going to paint this coil cover. I think this is. I'm taking off this Mugen badge. I don't like it. I'm gonna actually paint this oil cap too. I don't know what I used to say. I'm gonna repaint my dipstick. I don't know why it's a bright orange. And then I have to get another stud that actually goes down there, and then figure out the torque specs and all that. So yeah, and then I'm gonna do a battery relocation kit down here and stuff like that. But I'm just yapping now. I'm just trying to tell you guys about all my future plans. But that's not what you guys came here for today, and you just came here for the DIY carpet. I have all the videos posted in the video throughout, showing you guys the process of how I did it, how long it took, everything like that. But for now, it's a great day. It's 4th of July. You guys have a good one.